This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica multiplayer. While the original game is a fantastic single-player experience, many players wish to explore its depths with friends. Fortunately, a dedicated community has developed a mod called Nitrox, allowing you to team up. We will walk through the steps to get this working, specifically for those who own Subnautica through the Epic Games Store. First, you will need to download the Nitrox multiplayer mod. Always get the latest version from its official website to ensure compatibility and the newest features. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, empty folder on your computer. Then, launch the Nitrox Launcher application as an administrator. Inside the launcher's options, verify that the game directory path correctly points to your Subnautica installation from Epic Games. With the mod installed, it is time to host your game. In the Nitrox launcher, go to the Server tab. Here, you will find a button to start server. Click this to initiate your multiplayer session. The launcher will display your server's IP address. Share this with your friends so they can join. Remember to allow any firewall prompts to ensure seamless connections for everyone. If you are joining a friend's game, the process is straightforward. Open the Nitrox launcher and click on Play Multiplayer. From the in-game menu, select Add Server. Your friend, the host, will provide you with their server's IP address and the port number, which is typically 11,000. Enter this information carefully. Also, double-check that your computer's firewall allows outgoing connections to prevent any issues when trying to connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.